Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable and use SMTP in Zoho Mail in 2026. This guide is perfect for beginners, even if you have zero technical knowledge and you're using Zoho Mail for the first time, you can easily follow along. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to enable SMTP and use it with apps, websites, or email clients. Let's begin. First of all, what is SMTP? SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. In simple words, SMTP allows you to send emails from Zoho Mail using other apps like Gmail apps, Outlook, WordPress websites, contact forms, or any third-party software. Now let's see how to enable it. Open your browser and go to the Zoho Mail website. Log in using your Zoho Mail email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Zoho Mail inbox. Now, look at the top right corner and click on the Settings icon. From the menu, go to Mail Settings. Inside Mail Settings, click on Mail Accounts. Now select your Zoho Mail account email address. Scroll down and find the option called SMTP. Here you'll see the SMTP configuration details. Zoho Mail SMTP is usually enabled by default, but you still need the correct settings to use it. These are the SMTP details you need. The SMTP server is smtp.zoho.com. The port number is 465 for SSL or 587 for TLS. The encryption type should be SSL or TLS. The username is your full Zoho email address. The password is your Zoho Mail password or app-specific password. Now, an important point. If you are using SMTP with a third-party app or website, Zoho recommends using an app-specific password instead of your main password. To create an app password, go to your Zoho account security settings. Enable two-factor authentication if it's not already enabled. Then generate a new app-specific password and copy it. Use this app password in place of your Zoho Mail password when setting up SMTP. Once you enter these SMTP details into your app, website, or email client, save the settings. Send a test email to check if SMTP is working correctly. If the email is sent successfully, that means SMTP is enabled and working. If you face any error, double-check the server name, port number, encryption type, and password. Also, make sure SMTP access is allowed in your Zoho Mail security settings. And that's it. This is how you can enable and use SMTP in Zoho Mail in 2026, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.